So if you're on your iPad, this works, and now I'm going to teach you how to get rid of parental controls. It's actually quite simple. All you're gonna have to do is go to your settings from your iPhone. Basically, just open up the settings app right here, and then what you're gonna want to do is tap on screen time. So basically, this is where the parents control their child's phone. This is where they set that setting in order to prevent them from using certain things or from, using the phone as much as they want. So how do you turn it off? Well, now that we're here, we're going to want to scroll down until we find the restrictions section where it says content and privacy restrictions. Tap on that, and basically, you have the full control of all of the parental controls in this button right here. If you want to get rid of it all you have to do is tap on this button, and as you can see, it has turned off every single restriction that I have on my phone. Now, if it's already turned off when you open this up, then of course you don't really have any parental controls and now you can do whatever you want. But if it was green, you're gonna want to make sure that this is turned off so now you no longer have any restrictions and your parental controls are gone. So yeah, that's about it for this video. I told you it was really quite easy. All you had to do was go to your settings, tap on screen time after scrolling down, and now you're going to want to look for content and privacy restrictions and make sure that this is switched off. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.